if you're looking for a job that's outdoors or looking for a job to get you out of the office, the Lake Doctors is the place for you. My cousin works for the company, and he always had great things to say about them, so it piqued my interest, and I applied, and I've been here ever since. I came in knowing basically zero about lake management and aquatic management. Everybody basically welcomed me with open arms. Hey, if you have questions, come to me. So it's definitely a tight-knit group of people. First, you get to the shop and get your truck ready, and then you load up and head out to your first account. So you would have your backpacks, you would have all your necessary PPE, you'd have your chemicals for the day, you would have a fish net, you have your water tank in the back of the truck. Your water tank is what fills up your backpacks. For some of the smaller ponds, it's not necessary to put the boat in. If you have a smaller pond, it's easier just to walk it, and you don't have to cover a huge portion of the pond. There are label rates that we have to go by law. We don't want to go through and just dump chemical just to dump it. We want to go and have a purpose of why we're doing things. A healthy lake or healthy pond is going to make a great environment for the wildlife and for the animals that live in and around it. Not all of the accounts we have to pick up trash, but if we see it, we pick it up just to make sure that we keep the ponds environmental friendly and help out the wildlife. Just like not every pond is the same, not every location is the same. If you go to a pond and it looks really bad one month, you treat it, and sometimes it's 100% clear. Sometimes you can tell a difference, but you just got to keep chipping away. And once you see that the pond looks great, I mean, that's rewarding in itself, because some of these ponds can be tricky to clean up for sure. And once you come out to the pond, you would survey and see what you can find. I mean, sometimes there's algae, sometimes there's grasses, sometimes there's underwater weeds. Today we noticed that there's a little bit of algae under the water, so we're going to treat that appropriately. So if you're in the boat, you'll start by taking your lid off, and then you'll want to fill up the tank. So you have your suck hose here. If you have a friend or family asking about the Lake Doctors and they're interested in the job, I think it's a perfect place to work at, because not only is the schedule great, the atmosphere is great, the type of work that we do is fun, and it's always different. Change of atmosphere or change of pace. This is a great company, and they'll make you feel like family.